to get them to opt in, we give them something for it, and then they become part of our database. And we have very few people that back out because it is everything. We don't send it that often. We try not to overdo it. We do it when it's something relevant. So if we're doing one a week, that's a lot, depending on what's going on. But there's an example of how we do it during a seminar, during a school, where we have a speaker. It's like we get them to opt in, they use a QR code or use our number. And what happens is they get a return text, and then they can then access a link to all of the presentation materials. So that's how they access, they get into our database. And typically they stay that way. They stay in there because they're users of education and they want to know what's out there. They want to know what the most recent profit break is. So it's been a great tool for that.